In early April, my wife and I went on one of our favorite loop walks near our home in rural Denmark, Maine. It's about 2¾ miles total, and this was our first time since the snow had melted. One thing led to another, and we decided to pick up all the junk along the way. This video describes what we found in those 12 bags, making it the world's first ever roadside trash unboxing video. The sorting is underway. Unidentifiable trash is here. Loose containers are here, and sorted containers are here. Are you starting to see a pattern? We'll start with the water and soft drink section. There's a jug and bottle of Poland Springs. Ironic, because every minute you watch this, Poland Springs is pumping the aquifer right under our house, slurping up more water to bottle. The next section features 6 Dunkin' cups. Holidays run on Dunkin', and so do some jerks. Among the other onesie-twosies is a guava gose. This sounded awful to me, so I looked it up on their website, which said, the base gose has a balanced lemony tartness from the presence of malted wheat, Himalayan pink sea salt, and coriander, with a flowery bright smoothness from guava. Must be a Canadian thing. Okay, back to work. On this slide, the Corona should be in the Anheuser-Busch InBev display case. I'll take care of that next time. And now for the brand runner-up, Twisted Tea, a very lamentable 11 total bottles and cans. All right, the moment you've been waiting for, the Anheuser-Busch display case. We start with 2 Michelob products and a whopping 32 Bud Lights, featuring some Patriots limited edition containers. I guess Tom Brady threw us away, so what the hell. Next, it's on to 2 Shock Tops and a truly amazing 84 Budweisers, including some seasonal can designs. If you're like me, nothing brings out the spirit of the season quite as much as a holiday-themed beer can, nestled gently on a snowbank on the side of a backwoods Maine road. So here's the bottom line. Anheuser-Busch products, meaning Budweiser and Bud Light principally, made up nearly all the alcoholic beverage containers, and Anheuser-Busch made up over half of the identifiable roadside trash. Since Anheuser-Busch had a roughly 40% market share in 2020, that was in beer and related markets, this means Budweiser customers are much, much, much more likely to litter than other drinkers. In fact, for this particular stretch of Maine country road, you'd only have to walk 40 yards on average to find your next Budweiser piece of trash. That's less than half the length of a football field. So Anheuser-Busch, it's time to step up. Start educating your customers on drinking responsibly. And that includes not tossing the empties out of your car as you zip down the road. I'll be waiting eagerly for your next public service campaign. I hope it's a lot more ambitious than this one. For a company that brings in nearly $16 billion yearly in North America, 60,000 measly dollars represents a trifling 2 minutes of sales. If you agree with me on the need for more education, why not let Anheuser-Busch know? It's easy. Thanks for watching.